Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for our crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this episode we are gonna be talking about Bitcoin consolidating the 39K area. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links will be going out here in a second. Gary, how's it going? Friend for War, Jeff, Amay, everyone's in the house. Thank you all for being here. Let's get these links out to the Discord, man. Let's get these links out to the Discord. Pin this message, and there we go. Let's get going. Let's go to the main screen where the magic happens. Rails in the house says AMP is going to be listed tomorrow. Nice. I'm good, Carrie. Thank you for asking. Hope you guys are well as well. Jonathan Valdez, what's up? Jake's in the house with the rockets. Yo, a lot of people coming in. Make sure you hit the like on the way in. Stymie, how's it going, man? Haven't climbed into bed tonight? That's awesome. Thank you very much for being here, and much appreciated. Let's get rolling. Let's get seeing what's happening with the market, right? So, what is happening with market cap, man? I feel like we're getting stagnation. We are. Look, we pumped a little bit yesterday. Spinning top. Not a lot of movement, 1% to the upside. Right now, pushing back down a little bit. Also not a lot, not quite I'm doing yesterday, but also not really going strong. And it could be because we're starting to get tired of this. Remember, I discussed that yesterday. It could be that we're starting to get tired. We're losing 0.69% right now, sitting at $1.52 trillion. We could get up to this area at 1.57 trillion to try to retest that 382 fib retracement. Sorry, yeah, 382, and then we could be coming up here to that 236, right? So those are the moves for market cap. If we reject the zone, be looking for action downside. There's nothing bearish here right now. Let's go check out Bitcoin. What is happening with the Bitcoin, man? Good evening, Carthigo. How's it going, man? Bitcoin rejecting this area. It tried to break it. Which is good. It failed, though. It did get to a high of 40,900 of this chart, and it rejected slightly. Royal Gamers, what is up? So, if you remember, you asked me targets. Said above 42K, we could target the measure move here. If we remain within the box, we could be targeting the smaller rectangle, right? And that is, I think we called it for about a week, right? We did set predictions for 7 days yesterday. And I got you guys' prediction here. I wrote them down. So we'll see who has closest to the price of Bitcoin in a week. That's going to be interesting. So if you guys are liking the content, let me know. I am interested to see if you guys like this. So hit them likes. That's the way you let me know whether or not you like the content, right? Let's go back to the Bitcoin chart that we usually look at, which is this one. Let's zoom in. Expansion of the Bollinger Bands. Remember, we were outside of the Bollinger Bands. We want to come back in. There's 2 ways we come back into the Bollinger Bands. We move sideways for a little bit, or we drop down. Looks like we're opting to move sideways a bit right now. We're still outside of the Bollinger Bands. And we are holding support at 39,291. Look, we already wicked it. Yesterday, we rejected very close to our target. We have our target at 40,906. We did hit a high of 40,928. So we were like 22 bucks off target. Not the end of the world. For the price of Bitcoin, it's nothing if you take percentage-wise, right? So fairly accurate in a hit and rejection of the zone that we're expecting to reject. Nothing bearish right now. We are bought at 69.33. Let's go to that 4-hour chart because the daily is not really doing a lot right now. On the 4-hour, we're looking for bearish divergence yesterday. Guess what happened? Remember when I told you guys Bitcoin could get to this zone? We'll still have bearish divergence and then we might break down from there. Starting to break down a little bit, right? Not the most insane breakdown, but we're moving down. We're rejecting that 40,906 area. This one wicked it almost spot on, 40,901. That was the highest point we got to. Very, very close in rejection. Again, trying to hold support. That is fine. Are we doing anything bullish? 23.20, 22 still slightly less negative here. Going higher, low to high under our side. Nothing on the bullishness right now. Just strong bearish divergence. That's it. Strong bearish divergence could get us to go back down. We are bought at 63.83. Let's go to the 1-hour, man. On the 1-hour chart, look, we had bearish divergence, moved us down, found support here right at 1 in the morning at our area of support and bounce. After that bounce, we created more bearish divergence, and I posted this one on the Discord. This one on the Discord. And when I was posting this, we were holding support here at the 20 moving average, which was interesting to see at that time that we were holding support because we had not touched this area again, that 39,291. For support until we broke, and right now we're hitting it almost spot on. The low here was 39,270. We have it at 39,291. So 20 bucks off target again. Not too bad. Going back up, hitting that 20, and we're probably gonna face resistance. Now I'm gonna get rid of this. We no longer need this line. And this one, we could shift, right? We could shift the line. I'm just gonna leave it as is, right? We know we called it. I'm just gonna switch it back to yellow. And this basically lets us know that we're creating strong bearish divergence for potential action to downside. We have it against the MACD and the RSI, and this could lead Bitcoin on a slight movement down. I say slight because conditions in the market, while not overly bullish, we are moving a little bit bullish. Sammy says, and the month inside, do we just trend sideways? That's gonna be interesting though, because we are making a green month, right? We turned this month from red to green. Cali Crop Dog, what's up? Thanks for being here, man.
What's up?
So I'm thinking it's okay right now. We're flagging. We might drop a little bit in the price. If we still hold within 39,291, there's a bigger chance we can try to break that 40,000. But it would not be bad if Bitcoin just goes down a bit into this area, 38,000, 37,000, finds support, and then tries to go back up with a lot of strength. Right now, we're very, very close to the area we need to break. So we're very close. It's like boom, right? It's like boom. It's like just hitting it and hitting it, and we're not really coming back through where we can like go and run through it. So we might need to pull back a little bit here on Bitcoin for it to, you know, have a little bit more strength on its run, and then you can try to move up maybe a little bit better and break this zone, right? We need to, again, pull back down and run up again. Some people are calling here for head and shoulders. I think Bring Fact was saying it could be a head and shoulders. It could be. That neckline would be very skewed, but yes, it could start to look a little bit like a head and shoulders for potential action downside. We're neutral at 51.67. Today was the FOMC. We're mild sell-off everywhere, leaning into it. Yeah, I'm not sure, man. I didn't see what they talked about. I haven't seen the minutes from their meeting. Wow. Pointing slightly up here, right? On the RSI, meaning we could still be looking for slight action to the upside, right? Bitcoin needs to hire a bulldozer. It does. Highguard Jesus says Bitcoin down is going to fall off the cliff again. If it falls off that cliff, that means the price of Bitcoin is going to go up. And that could be what we were looking for, right? Andrew, yo, what's up? So, that's it for Bitcoin. Let's go check out Ethereum. Ethereum 2,295. What are we doing, man? We're moving sideways. We're kind of range bound. We're trading between that 2,307 and 2,263. It's fine. I'm not worried about it right now. We were looking for some bearish divergence yesterday. We got rid of it. Look, we dropped lower. Well, we still have that hidden bearish. We still have that hidden bearish is getting us to consolidate sideways, which is fine. Again, bought at 60.09. Still be looking for action to the upside. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Everybody else has become going to 47K. High to low, and high to low, right? Low to high, negative more, negative low, lower, hidden bullish, going up. We're failing to get higher than the previous high. Those were starting to turn back down. And we're starting to consolidate sideways. So we're starting to just basically looks like we might start making a triangle. Holding support above the 20. We could try to get another crack at 2,370. It could be consolidation before the next movement up. We need to consolidate, right? Just remember that, guys. Before the moves, we need to consolidate. Yeah, it's target at 43 and 43. I have something around 41 and change, I think, or 42 and change. We need to get above 42. Right, we're neutral 57.03. Let's go to the 1-hour Ethereum. Looking for the bearish divergence, move down, popped. What happened with that pop? Look, we're coming higher. We're coming lower still. Strong bearish divergence is still there. It's still very real. We still have it here against the MACD also. And we're creating strong bearish divergence for action downside. We move down, broke the 20, tried to recover. This looks like what Bitcoin did. And then we're flagging back down. And now it looks as though we're trying to bounce. And like I could say that we are within this range, right? That 2,307 to 2,263. A couple dollars smaller, a couple dollars less, but that is more or less a target that we're moving sideways within. Neutral at 50.29. Nothing else happening here that is bullish, I think. Let me zoom in here. I mean, we have some hidden bullish, and that's just basically helping the consolidation. But that's about it for Ethereum. Really, not a lot more happening, right? Hidden bullish. Reason we're moving up. Neutral at 50.29. Let's go check out the Binance. Yeah. Binance. Well, let's do this one, man. Wow. That cup of coffee's good, man. Coffee's good, man. It's high to low, low to high, neutral at 52.95. Again, bearish divergence, hidden, starting to move sideways, spinning top yesterday. Looking not quite a spinning top right now, but also seeing that indecision, right? Neutral at 52.88. Let's go to the 4 hour. ADA. We haven't done ADA, man. I'll put in the list. Thank you, Jorge, for asking for ADA. Right. So high to low, high to low, and high to low. Neutral at 53.88. The last thing we had was this hidden bullish. We haven't created anything else. Remember we said we were starting to make a triangle here. I even deleted it because I didn't want to keep it there, but we're looking at something like this. And then we're going something like this, remember? Something like that. So we're still making a triangle. Triangles break either way, 50-50. And like I said, we'll measure from the high point of the triangle to the low point. So I'll be from here to here. And if it breaks to the upside, we could be targeting, 343. If it goes to the downside, targeting, 285. Somewhere around that area, right? Depending on when we break. But it's consolidating into a triangle. That's all that matters. Triangles break either way. It's a 50-50 shot. Right. So bearish divergence strong, right? We had this hidden bullish, we're running on that, and then we're making this large triangle. Even though we're moving back down to this hidden bearish. There's a hidden bearish here. That's putting pressure on that price, making it move down a bit against the MACD and the RSI. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, neutral at 50.71. Nothing bullish right now. Nothing bullish, right? So let's move on to XRP. That was the next one that got requested, right? For some reason, that list is not updating. It should be updated, but it's not updating. Let's get that XRP, man. There we go. At 70.86, it moved up a bit. That's fine. It broke out of that 65-cent channel range that was in. 65 cents in this channel. 13.79% rally. Very nice. Hitting that 72.57 area, and we're rejecting it. We didn't go higher, but that's still a pretty good rally, man. That's still a pretty good rally. I'll take 12%, 13% any day, right? Sorry, guys. There's something here I gotta move. There we go. Hopefully that'll make it fixed. Right. So, not too bad. Neutral at 59.62. Starting to point down. Low to high. Low to high, nothing bearish. Let's go to the 4-hour. Yo, Andrew! Thank you for being here, man. Don't drive and, get that. Craggery, what's up, dude? Thank you for being here.
What's up?
And Flags, greetings, man. How's it going? Hey, how's it going, Mr. Flags? Low to high, right here. We're creating some strong bearish divergence, right, on XRP. And that's where we're starting to get that stagnation happening here, or fight for this area. It's not actually stagnation yet. We're not moving sideways for a long period of time. But we are hitting some resistance, right? And that comes with the turf of the bearish divergence. Where did I see this divergence at, man? I know I saw it. Was it too close to call? I'm going to have to zoom in here real quick. Low to high. Oh, it's here. Strong bearish divergence, potential fraction down. So I started to move down, and we're still hitting resistance at this zone, right? So that's what we're looking at. We're bought at 62.13. And if you guys like what we do, hit the like, hit the bell, and hit the sub, because those are most of the things you can do. Liking is free. This content is free, so you can also give us a free like. 32 people watching, only 16 likes. What is this? Did a mouse got your finger? Right on, dude. Just had your dog out. Right. So, it's a fun day for crypto. We're consolidating, so it's not that bad. And I've been asking questions here in the stream, so if you guys have a long open, type 1. If you have a short open, type 2. I'm curious because market conditions from yesterday to today, although sideways, could lead Bitcoin to have a small drop. So some of you guys might have shorts. And the same action that we're moving sideways could be giving consolidation before the next leg up. So some of you guys might have longs. So I want to know, are you guys long or short? Type 1 if you're long, type 2 if you're short. Abram Noya, thank you very much for being here. Andrew 0, so he doesn't have any. iCard, 1 and dot. Earth Cali, 1. All right. Flags also 1. River for War, 1. All right. Or 1 and Ada, but scared. Ooh. That's fine. Don't be scared. Let's go here. We had bullish divergence. Pumping, right? Hidden bullish. Low to high, higher, higher. Everything here was good, except from way back here. We created some bearishness. Look at this bearish divergence. Bearish divergence. Strong. Action to downside. Starts stagnate, right? Going down, hitting that 20. Pumping. Rejecting high to low, high to low, high to low. Nothing bearish afterwards. But look, we had strong bearish divergence for that first move down that we see here on the 4 hour. That move here. And we pumped, we're creating more strong bearish divergence in the 4 hour, moving down again. So we're below a 20 moving average. Not the underworld, about to get a squeeze of the Bollinger Bands. Hopefully it's one of those quick squeezes that pop somewhere, like a squeeze that we got here and I immediately pop down. We could squeeze and pop back up again, right? Let's see what we get. Carthago 1, Batsy 1. Right. River for War is short and shiv. Nice. Right, so let's go check out Ada. So that was the next request. Not a lot of coins in the request tonight. Let's get Ada going. Ada 1.27. Yeah, Craigery, that was XRP, man. Did you put me on big screen? Yeah. It says right here, man, like the coin, right, like right here in the background. So I'm not sure if you can see that well, though. I'm not sure what you're watching on, but it's good. Ergo some? Sure. Therefore. We're going to look at therefore. Bullish divergence, popping, great. Hitting the 140, all right. Still above the 20, indecision, spinning top, spinning top, spinning top. Not quite a spinning top, but indecision still. Neutral at 51.07, pointing slightly down here on the other side, but not really defined. For our chart, hidden bullish, popping. Remember, we had a triangle here as well. Talked about this yesterday. Look at that triangle. Again, if we break, we'll be looking for a measure move. That move would be going from low point to the high point, right? From here to here almost. Just going to do an approximation here. It's not letting me close there, but that's fine. And whatever we close, we should be targeting around $1.49 if we break to the upside. Or if we go to the downside, we would be targeting $1.07, right? Almost. But we're going to have support and resistance on the way up and on the way down. So support here at that 50% retrace at $1.16, and then resistance at $1.43. We're below the 20 moving average, so that means we're also going to have a resistance above. And let's see if this triangle plays out, right? I'm going to get rid of it. We've already talked about this. A lot of projects have triangles. Hidden bullish, popping, great. Low to high, high to low, bearish divergence. Wrong. Strong bearish divergence for action to the downside. Look at this, right? Strong bearish. Might start to move down a bit. Right, low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. Still neutral at 50.12. Not too bad, right? Not too bad. Abram, dude, thank you very much for that awesome sub, dude. I appreciate it. There you go, one up, man. The Descartes coin, yeah. Crypto, which chart am I using? Like the site or the app? I'm using TradingView. That's the name of the site. Look at that, TradingView. Frame view. Right, up next, Ergo. I'm not sure what you're asking him, eh? Alright, Ergo's not here, man. I'm curious about something though. How's this coin doing? You remember how we got rated by the guys the other day? I'm just curious to hear how the coin, where the coin's at. Oh, this is not it. This is another one, Androd. So let's go Look, Androd dropping. Oh no, it's losing resistance. Right. So before I go there, let's get this in. Let's see this real quick. Androd. We have some bearishness here, right? That we could try to break down with. They recovered to higher areas, which is fine. Now we're rejecting the previous 100% high. It's all good. Not too crazy. I guess Andrew's doing fine with this one. So let's do, I just want to see where this thing's at, man. I want to see how much money I would have lost. Because they were like coming in here, you know, like you should get into this coin, I'm not even gonna name it. Oh look, I would have been alright with my call. Because it was on the 26th when they were in, and it was like, oh, bearish divergence, look at that. Rejection and down. I would have lost money if I would have taken this coin. Ah! I knew it. Alright, I'm glad I didn't take this trade. Right, so. Yeah, volume has been fine, man. Volume has been fun. Batsy says, if you had $100 extra, would I go long in ADA? Dude, I cannot give you an answer to that because then you can interpret that as giving advice. As much as hypothetical as you want to make it sound, it's still considered giving advice if I answer that question. So I cannot tell you what I would do if I had $100. That's why I don't show trades in here. That's why I don't show signals or anything like that, because anything that is like that can get you into a lot of trouble. So, we're gonna go look for Ergo. All right, so Ergo, it's at $5 and ERG. That's why I couldn't find it. All right, so let's do this ERG, man. Oh, it's 100,000. Oh, then if it's 100,000, you wouldn't need me to tell you where to put it, man. You probably already have a financial advisor. He can tell you where you should put 100,000, man. That's considered giving a financial advice, my friend. But that's a good one. All right, so Ergo, I'm not finding here. All right, that's fine. What we're gonna do is go look here where it trades. I think we're. Well, I think we can chart here. Yeah. Carthago basically summarized that properly. Check the daily, man. Right. So let's fit this sucker, right? Can we? Is it gonna? Here they are. I found them. I couldn't find the tools. I was like, where are they, man? I know they're supposed to be here. We were tradesmen from the low point. And the low point, I don't need to pinpoint as much as the high point, but just want to get an idea where we're at. All right. Hit that 786, we're bouncing back up. We're on our way to the 618, so that's not too bad. It's not too bad, right? Adrian, yo, what's up, man? Right, so let's get some indicators out here. Let's get the MACD and the RSI, right? There you go. Right, so let's get this to be that color a little thicker. I just need to be visible, which might not be 100% visible here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this shorter, and there we go. I should have everything in the screen now. And here we're gonna go. We just need the histogram to be like green and a little bit thicker, and that's we'll make it columns. There we go. A little bit better, right? Low, lower, low, more negative momentum, lower. Shorter term here, from here to here. Strong bullish. Right, so strong bullish divergence on the daily for this project. Not too bad. Came lower still, more strong bullish divergence, right? Potential fraction upside. Here we did rally, drop, has some weird moving averages here. Let's get rid of this, and let's make this one the, let me change it, yeah. The 20 moving average. Right, so. Strong bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside is struggling with the 20 moving average. It's above it right now, but not because it broke with it a lot of strength. It just broke slightly and moved sideways in the opening. And it does need to get above this previous area, or not this previous area, this other area at $7.11 if it wants to keep on going higher. Otherwise, a rejection of that 20 moving average could get it to target around $4.13. Neutral at 45.80 on the RSI, so we're not really getting a lot here. Nothing else that is bearish. Let's go to the 4-hour chart and see what we have there now. Low to high, high to low, right? There is. First thing I'm noticing is strong bearish divergence. That's like right there, man. The first thing you can see when you walk into this chart, right? From here to here. And from here to here. Right? Low to high, negative, more negative, some hidden bullish. Only against the MACD, not against the RSI, right? None of these moves are against the RSI. It's just making moves against the MACD. It's fine. There's nothing wrong with that, but hidden bullish, potential stagnation. That's what we're getting. That's where we're getting that sideways motion. Still, strong bearish should be trumping hidden bullish, unless the market is extremely bullish, then, you know, or feeling more bullish. We get the bullishness to still go over and beat the hidden bearish. So let's go here shorter. I'm going to leave the lines from the previous one. I'm not going to bother getting rid of them because this chart is not going to save. So when I come in tomorrow or whenever we look at it again, it's still going to be, it's going to be empty. So low to high, high to low, right? High to low, bearish divergence, strong. Moving down with that. Low to high, negative, more negative, hidden bullish, right? Pumping with that. It's kind of like what we're getting on the 4-hour, we're getting here also on the 1 hour. Look at that. I think here we also got it against the, we don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Steve, yo, what's up?
What's up?
Yeah, you want to put all of your eggs in one basket, right? You want to put your eggs in different baskets. Low to high, low to high, and low to high. Here, there's really not a lot that is bearish right now in the short term, right? So we're just consolidating sideways on the hidden divergence. We did create some strong bullish here. Let's just draw that one like this. And that's it, strong bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside, starting to rally a bit. Right, neutral at 55.63, not too bad. Right, that's ergo. Again, pumping on the bullish divergence, nothing bearish right now, moving sideways. Right, that's it for this project. So back here, and let's check something else. Let's go back to Bitcoin, man. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Craggery gifted a sub. That is awesome. NFT architect got it. That is amazing.
What's up?
Oh, we're gonna do sorry man, that's not it. You gifted us up.
Say it with me.
Legendary Cragger, that is awesome.
Thank you very much
for the kind donation. Or kind subscription. Subscriber. Right, remember guys, this is the most awesome channel out there on crypto. It will become the most awesome channel out there on crypto because you guys are part of this awesome community. So if you want to help us grow, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, right? Talk about crypto to your friends and bring them over because that's how we get this community to grow, right? It's just basic. More people, more growth. Let's keep rolling. Remember, Wars is short shiv. For a second there, it sounded, or it looked like you were gonna type short rib, and I was like, that sounds tasty. Yeah, I would be down for some short rib. Down for some short rib. But chill, will Ethereum 2 help reduce gas fees? It should. It should, because you're moving to proof of stake instead of proof of work. And, I mean, it should help with the gas fees so long as the network is not super cluttered, I guess. Right? Yeah. So many YouTube channels trading SHIB. The thing is a little bit of the moving average, right? Tuesdays in the gutter. It could, man. It could, right? I mean, the Bitcoin trying to go for that 20, right? That's fine. Go Bitcoin, you can do it. Get above that 20. Elon, what's up? I hope you get the lag in that. The most awesome thing you can do. Remember, guys, all the content that we produce here at the State of Crypto is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Right? We're not financial advisors. It's not financial advice. 5 Martin and LLLL. What? 5 me? What's that? Not sure. John Blaze is 30. 30 what? That's a weird number to put there, man. I'm not sure why 30. How long have you invested in crypto? Oh man, that's a good question. Well, I started buying actively since 2018, right in the middle of that, towards the end of 2018. I started getting crypto, not paying for it, but getting crypto on 2016. Right, that's how long I've been in crypto. So 2016 with faucets and whatever stuff for fun, then crypto and just purchasing and trading since 2018. Yeah, those are dates. And I've been trading for a long time. So GRT, sure, let's put that on the list. That used to be Andrew's coin, man. Andrew, CBA Andrew. He used to be all up in the GRT. He was requesting GRT when he was just like a small coin, dude. Right. Right. Shib. Here we go. Shiv at 0.56. What the shib are we doing? Not shib, sorry. What the GRT are we doing? A lot of shib chat in the chat, so GRT will fire up soon. All right. Room for War. I missed your ask for shiv. All right. Sorry, man. I'll put it here on the list. Right. You can trade with whatever amount. You can trade with like $5. You can trade with like $100. That's the beauty about crypto. You don't really need to have a big amount. Bullish divergence, action to the upside. Moving up slightly, hitting the 20, rejecting. Still below that 786. Nothing else that is bearish. There's not a lot of strength here. Low to high, high to low, right? Bearish divergence strong. Move down. Guess what happened? Went higher. And again, we saw this with a lot of projects. And then we're still coming lower here. Strong bearish divergence from one island to the next. Action downside. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, neutral at 49.81. That's it. Not a lot happening here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Again, bearish divergence moving down, right? We're starting to consolidate right now. We're looking for that divergence. We didn't get it here. That's fine. We got it here. It just turned too strong. Divergence. Strong bearish divergence. Potential action to downside. Strong bearish divergence. And then breaking us down. Boom. All right. Low to high, negative, more negative. Hidden bullish. Hidden bullish divergence coming in and helping us rally a little bit. Which again, is not too bad, right? Not too bad. Here we go. In here and from here to here. Oh, that's fine. High to low, and high to low. Neutral at 50.88 right now, and we're just getting that sideways motion. There's nothing happening here that I can tell is bullish or bearish. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower, slightly higher, less negative, slightly higher. It's not doing that bad right now. It's just moving sideways. So, like it's consolidating, and that could get it to break either way. Right? It doesn't have anything bullish or bearish. Strong bearish, hidden bullish, sideways motion, consolidation, right? Finally get higher in the previous high. About it. Let's go check out SHIB. Right. SHIB is at fraction, like 5 zeros and then 616. High to low, and high to low. Something bearish on the daily. Let's go on the daily. The SHIB, it's below that 786. Oh no. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower, still nothing bullish. Not even getting to at 20. Sold at 37.85. I once got SHIB as a joke for a little bit, and then I sold it. I didn't hold it. Like, I didn't even hold it for that long. And I came out even, so I was happy with that. Abram, awesome channel. Thanks, man. Will Bitcoin create any support? 40K soon. We'll go back to Bitcoin a bit, right? We'll go back to Bitcoin a bit, and we can check that answer. I mean rejection, right? Not support, rejection. When you're below a target, you have a rejection zone. So you have a resistance, right? We're looking for a resistance, not a support. Supports are below us, right? If you're gonna fall, you're gonna find support on the way down. When you go up, you have
awesome channel. Will BTC find new support at 40K?
Bro, thank you very much for your kind donation, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That is awesome. Thank you very much for the kind donation, everyone. Steiny says, I hear safe when is good. The word safe right there in the title, right? Yeah, man, it should be. Why not? Of course, it isn't. Aram, yeah, so resistance, right? I'm gonna go Bitcoin right after SHIB, and we can check it out, right? Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Nothing here that is bullish or bearish on this last bit. Neutral at 42.27 on the RSI. That means we could, go down a bit just because the RSI is still pointing down, but I'm not really getting in anything here that is bullish. 1 hour chart. High to low, and high to low. All here is coming lower, less negative, lower, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. So nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Are we having some hidden bullish here? I gotta confirm this. So low to high, and I think here we might have some hidden bullish. So low, or not hidden bullish, maybe strong bullish. Yeah, strong bullish. Strong bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. It's not too bad now, actually. It's looking for a potential movement up, which is okay. That's usually what we're going to find before we move up, right? Bullish divergence. So what we'll be targeting, the first to 20 moving average, 0.0000622. Right now we're sitting at 0.0000624. Sorry, 616. So we're looking for action to the upside, right? Potentially here on this project. Something, my phone problem. Right. So let's go back to Bitcoin. Will it support? Well, resistance. Yeah, I mean, there's a resistance here at 40,906. So we are trying to get above that 20 moving average. That 20 moving average is at 39,862. Right, we're at 39,910, so slightly above it. And if we get above this 20, we have a shot of trying to go higher. There are Bollinger Bands. We might hit that upper part of the Bollinger Bands. Usually 95% of the moves are within the Bollinger Bands. We're looking at 2 standard deviation. So that's about 95% containment. We do get this breakout sometimes. We could wig that higher area and come back in. Really, I would be looking for a squeeze of the Bollinger Bands before we move again. Are we tighter than we were here? Probably, right? So we could be on a small squeeze, but we're not as tight as we were here on the Bollinger Bands. Like this squeeze, and then we exploded, right? It means volatility left the market. Now volatility's come back in. The daily, let's look at the volume real quick. Someone talked about the volume. Yeah, the last 3 days, volume has been beautiful. Although it's tapering off as we're going up, that is showing weakness, right? That is not a show of strength. You usually want to see every time you go higher, make more volume, right? Right now it's like dying out a bit. So it started here, and then we went higher, right, with less volume. Then we picked up volume, which is fine. And now we're going higher, but losing on that volume. So we're creating some bearish divergence against the volume. And that could have this drop, right? Mitchell. If you don't care about it, you should just have it there. Otherwise, move it to something else that you believe might pump sooner. I mean, no financial advice or anything like that, right? But if you have something there, what is this, man? Right, so yep. If you have $100 and you don't mind just having it there, you should just keep it there, man, in case it goes up, like you said, right? Otherwise, if you do care about those $100, move somewhere else. Hacker G says he's 90% sure Bitcoin down is going to fall off a cliff based on moving average. That's fine, man. That's fine. We have targets. We have targets, right? We played a game yesterday, and I said if we break 42,000, we could be targeting this area, right? 49,000 and change. That'll be going for that measure move of breaking this fallen wedge. Now, if we stay within this area, there's a chance we might try to come back to this area before we run, right? And we could start flagging here. Once we flag here, we could be going for a pump. So something like that. Okay. Yeah. Awesome stuff. Awesome charting today. Yeah, you can also follow me on Twitter, right? I'm not sure if you're following me on Twitter, but there goes the Twitter for State of Crypto, which is awesome. You should follow me there. I just post when I go live sometimes. Well, every day I post when I go live, and then sometimes I just post some other random stuff that I find. It's a mix of stuff. If you like the content that we're producing here, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, right? And you're still in traffic. That is crazy, man. Is that from your interview, man? Is that from your interview process? How's that going? How's that coming along? I remember you said you had job interview. They liked you or something, but they ended up kicking the can for like another day. I don't think we. I can't remember. I can't remember if we discussed, like, you know, what happened with that. I hope you got the job, man. I know you're driving, so you can let us know tomorrow or in the Discord. Right on, man. You're going back seeing no word in that job? Alright. It's all good, man. You'll hear back from them. You will hear back from them, man. A daily, man. That's 1 hour below at 20 again. We're just gonna close the hour. I'm gonna be finishing the stream. We're gonna keep it short and sweet today. Short and sweet. That's the name of the stream today. Right on. Right on, man. Well, so, yeah. I'm not sure why I feel so tired today, man. I didn't get a good night's sleep yesterday. And today I just feel like really, really tired for some reason. It's weird. It's a weird day today. It's like Wednesday. It is Wednesday. Ha! It's like I'm lost in the week. It's been super heavy, dude. It's been a heavy week. I mean, I'm doing a lot of stuff, man. It's fun. I have another project I'm working on that's a lot of fun as well. How do you use the MACD to determine convergence? All right, so MACD stands for moving average convergence divergence. Yeah, you basically I look for divergence though. Right? Even though you converge sometimes on the bottom lines here with the bullishness, it's still divergence. So, how do you use it? Okay. Well, you look for what's happening in the market. If you're looking for bearish stuff, you're looking on the top part of the price. If you're looking for bullish stuff, you're looking on the bottom part of the price. Also, bearishness on the top part of the indicators, bullishness, bottom part of the indicators. So if we go from a high point to a higher point, right, you're going higher on price, right? So you're in that upper area. What happens is you're coming down here on price, right? So you're on your relative strength in your RSI, for example, or your MACD. You go from a high point to a lower point, right? So you can see this also against the MACD, right? So not just this. Still holding RSR? No, bro. Oh no, I did. I gotta check my Binance. I think I still have that position open. I can't remember. I think I got out of it. I gotta check. How to use MACD to determine convergence? All right, so you can do it against the MACD or the RSI. In this case, we have it here. Or, we could say that here we're moving higher. So high to a higher point, right? We're going up on price, and we're coming down here on your MACD. So you're making less positive momentum. So on that divergence of price versus where you are with your MACD, you're creating strong bearish divergence, right? That would mean that you're looking for some action to the downside. Now, if you were looking here on the price and you're getting like lower low on the price, right? So you have a low and you're targeting new lower low with that price. And then your MACD, you're going from a negative momentum to less negative momentum, right? You would be looking for some bullish divergence, although they're converging, it's still bullish divergence. And it would still spell that there's potential action to the upside, right? Yeah. You're rumpy pump again. Metal so much. I think sorry, I can't remember if I had anything open or. I think I had closed my position, man. And I was looking for another in. I gotta check. I can't remember if I ended up buying again. Might have bought some. Like 10 hours since you drove that drill bit into your foot. All right. Hiker Jesus, man. Why are you not sleeping, man? You should be getting some sleep, some Z's, man. It's good for you. It's good for you. All right. On RSR, I remember I had taken profit, and I was just playing with, or I was taking I took out my investment, and I was playing with profits. And I think I withdrew those profits, and I was looking for another in. I gotta check, man. I can't remember if I still left something, or I went out and went back in. You're about to get out of Binance completely? Yeah, why? I don't like that exchange either, man, but they just have some things there that you cannot find in other places sometimes. But why are you going to get out of Binance? Let me know. I'm interested. I am interested, sir. Using the VPN is getting a little too risky. All right. Yeah. You should send everything that you have on Binance to me, your buddy Martin. Hey, I'm kidding. Don't do that. You'll trade down tokens there? Yeah. Binance is a joke. I know, it's hard to get in out of positions there, man. I mean, if you need to get into a position and you didn't plan ahead, bro, do you have to chase? Because every time you put something, the bots will just drive it up. It's insane. One quick second. The wife's coming in with the tea, but she'll be right back. It's all good. They make it impossible to withdraw your money. All right, you have to transfer it to another address. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, man. I'm just gonna transfer. That's how I got in and out, man. Just by buying crypto with crypto, and I send crypto to an address, and that's it. Look at the mighty ledger. I don't use it that much. I'm not even sure if it has power on it. Is it? All right, it has power. Awesome. Ooh, T-Connect. This is so good, man. This is a Porsche mug. Sure, man. I'll give it all back to you when we meet in Vegas, man. Sorry. Gather something here real quick. I still have access. Haven't forgotten the password to this thing. I put something on the ledger and then I never used it forever. That's it. I opened it. That was it. I never used the ledger again. Ever. It just sits there forever. Sure, man. I'll give it back to you in Vegas. Or I can transfer it to you on another address. Kato Ino. I was about to log off. I'll do that one and then that's it, right? VTC. I just want to see how Bitcoin closed the hour. Below 20. I'm going to keep it short today, guys. I'm feeling really tired. No more coins, right? Yesterday, I was really burned out. I had a massive headache. Today wasn't an easy day either. So I guess that's why I feel burned out. So my head my eyes hurt. BTC. Right. I get the vaccine. I got it a while back. Last week. A week ago. Last week, actually. So 1 week ago. But that's not it, man. That's not it. I didn't get any, anything with it. I'm just feeling yesterday I was looking at Excel sheets for, over 6 hours, doing a lot of numbers, most day. So, crunching data, processing data. It was just not fun. It was not a fun day. My head hurt yesterday, and today my eyes hurt because I didn't get a good night's sleep. Nice knowing me. Ha! Why, you're not gonna talk to anyone that has the vax or what? Flags. Keto Legendary, yeah. Thanks, man. Scrolling, BitBoy's channel was just taken down. What? Are you for reals? John Lopez, what? You gotta be kidding me. Hope you're kidding. He isn't. What? What the hell, dude? Like, he's legit. Like, this is BitBoy. Channel's not there. He has over 1 million people. What? You're genuinely concerned for people like your dad who have gotten it. All right. I'll shed on you? What do you mean I'll shed on you? That is crazy, man. Why did his channel get taken down? That is insane. I think he's going to get back up real quick, though. I mean, he has over 1 million people. They're going to revert that like nothing. Like, the amount of money he makes, like, every day on advertisements and everything, it's crazy. I'm wondering if they're targeting him for the same stuff that they targeted me, right? Got taken down. Yeah, he'll be back up, man. I'm okay, man. I'm okay. Like, the vaccine's not that bad. Like, I didn't get any symptoms or anything like that. So it's all good. Violent content. That is insane. Flags is crazy, man. It's fine. I mean, I don't mind the vaccine. It was okay. Plus, I'm not sure. Supposedly that new variant, it's a lot worse. Love the TA. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. So yeah, I really rather get vaccinated than, end up in the hospital or something like that. So it's fine. Twitch their own. Though it's making people stupider. Can it be possible? More than they already are? Some. Right? Yeah. PFE stock following the money. Right. Like, I mean, there are countries that are talking about restrictions, right? Like, going out. Obviously want to force everyone to get, to get it. Because that's the only way they're going to reduce the contagion rate, I guess. Apparently with the old one, like one person could get 3 other people that same thing. But with the variant, like I think one person can get 6 people sick, right? Oxygen is leading to cognitive decline. Pfizer about to make 33 billion from the jabs. Yeah. Yeah, they're gonna make a lot of money on that. I mean, it's expected, right? But I wonder how long the shots are gonna be free, because right now they're giving it to everyone for free, man. How do they test for that? I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure. So let's do BTC real quick, right?